Hello friends, now here for IoT, Internet of Things. So this particular IoT we are using for cloud system. So basically this cloud indicates that wherever we are, we can directly operate any device from anywhere. So in that particular IoT, we have, this is the IoT module, and this IoT module which is connected to my mobile, and this mobile actually connected with internet. So this is the one kind of gateway. From that gateway we are operating device. So here we are using separate cloud. So in that separate cloud we have our own dashboard. So with the help of dashboard I can operate any device anywhere. Okay. So directly we have this particular microcontroller board. So whatever signal we are sending from dashboard to our IoT kit, and that signal which is transferring from IoT to microcontroller board, and in that microcontroller board we have program with embedded C. So in that embedded C we have written program for operating different devices. So here we are taking 8 LEDs or 7 LEDs or 6 LEDs, we can operate it. So instead of 8 LEDs, you people can have different devices like AC motor, 3-phase motor. Then after we have the robotics kits. So number of different devices, interfacing devices we can operate. And after this, whatever device we are operating, that signal we have to read in another devices. So not only operating, but as well as we are taking the feedback from signal and we can show them. So whatever the signal which is going on currently, that we can observe on next side of board. So this is how we people can do and operate number of devices. So not only operating, but we can read the signal as well. So you people can learn the main thing, how to write cloud programming, then after embedded C programming for controlling devices, and all these things which is very much demanding in company. So in biomedical instrumentation, automobile sector, then in electrical sector, then power transmission sector, smart grid system, wind energy system, then water plantation systems, related things we can implement it. Thank you. Hello friends, now here we are for IoT, Internet of Things. So this particular Internet of Things we are using for plant level. So in that plant level we can operate number of devices like 3-phase motor, drives, anything we can operate with the help of this IoT board. And this IoT board, whatever signal I am going to be operate this like this. So this signal which is received by IoT board, and that signal which is transmitted through this wire to this 8051 or any microcontroller board you can use. And whatever the programming we have written which is in embedded C. So in that embedded C basically we have written program for controlling devices. So whatever I am signal giving and whatever the signal which is received by IoT to this kit, and this particular kit was transferring signal to this number of display devices. So here instead of 8 LEDs or 7 LEDs you can connect number of various devices. So in that devices whatever we are controlling it, so that controlling part we are written in the form of driver level. So it can be your AC motor, DC motor, it can be any sensor. And basically this plant level devices you can use for the automobile sector, for automatic lift sector, home automation, biomedical instrumentation, industrial IoT, then water management system, cyclic process. So for all this system we can use it. So all freshers, you people can have the various post and designation for IoT. So you people can have all kind of job placement from our side. So thank you very much.